Oh, how much? Oh, no, you have to put it back. Cho nó không đấy đây. Oh, now we got a serious problem here. Okay, can you get something to put him because the net is too small and then not fit. I know why this one is come out. So we need to adopt one of them. Huh?
Maybe she take it out.
Yeah. The male is not that vicious.
I'm trying to plant my flower. You took my spot.
Hey, we're supposed to share. This our house too.
Now I can't put flower.
Okay, get some put towel and then put him, and we gotta adopt him because no room to stay.
No, you can't. Just put it.
Huh?
Just put him.
No, it's get a ball.
No, mai we check vô tàu đây đó, Mom.
We ought check behind it. No, we
Just
gotta
let him stay for now.
we gotta help him here.
Let him stay for now.
Okay.
Mai bên nâu nâng hậu về sơ đây.
So we gotta do something about this one because the nest is crowded right now, and the other one pushed him out, and now it's very hot. Otherwise, it won't survive at all.
Plan, you keep yelling at me.
See how to put it back here on the nest, right here. See it? Stay with your brother right there. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, he won't go. Grab my hand. He won't stay. Brother and sister. Oh no, too big. And the net is too small. I try to let him stay a little bit, and then. He haven't eaten for too long because it's out.
Okay, I'll do it later then. Let's go. Come on.
And then I'm. What? Where did it go? Oh, he fell. He jumped out. There you go. Oh, it fell like that. It fell at the Saki. Come here, help. Saki, get Saki. This cut my head because they grown up so big. Get him out. He's on the ground. Can you get it out? The bird, the baby, right there, right there.
I don't know what to do.
Right there, he fell. You see that?
I can't get him.
So go try.
I don't know what you want to do.
Try to get him out, and we have to adopt or whatever, or just put his brother, sister in there.
I can't put in there.
Why he scream again?
I don't know what to do.
He's scared. Get the baby out.
I don't know where the baby is,
Right
man.
here.
Why can't you get him?
See?
What are you talking about, man?
Right here. See that? See that?
No, I don't see that. I can barely see at all.
Right here.
I don't know what to do. I ain't coming out of it.
Oh.
Put him back in the net. You go back in the net.
Wait, open. Daddy put it. Daddy put here.
Wait.
Right here. Right here, open it. Yeah. He keeps failing.
Mm-hmm.
He grabbed my leg.
Mm-hmm. Nine.
Okay, now I monitor them. Let's see. Really too small to get out. And the nest is too crowded right now. He tried to poke the camera out, but I saw the movement over there. Just to monitor their because the one that fell on the ground is getting hungry right now. Right there. Oh, he's coming. He's feeding or something. Let's see. Oh, it fell off again. The one that I just put him up. Now look at the mama just over here, right there. He want to get a camera. Về này lại cái vô côn với cái lại cái vô côn với strike hay muốn nó rốt trên bát đá nó vì oh get your phone and then take this one, look at it, and then I'm gonna take close, put it close. A little bit. Take it close. Okay, take it right now before it fly away. We have the little baby on the ground. He's running right here. See, baby fell. That's why he keep running around like that. Look, he's looking for the other one. Oh, now he's go inside like that. You see, only two, right? You see? Where the third one?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Where'd it go? He jumped out again, I think. Likely if he stay around, it's okay. It's not other animals won't bite him. But if it's not, your mama very concerned right now. So we because the other one have to keep jumping out, or he think he's big enough to go, but it's not. I don't think so. It's too small, not even have a wing yet. So there's only two on the nest right now, and the other one fell on the ground again, I think. Or he jumped out by himself. And now the mama is really concerned. Yeah, the bird was had a problem because the other one rejected on the ground for a couple of days. Now Mama demanded something from me. I don't know what's happening here on my doorstep. Ở trong đang về trong sấy clean máu. Maybe I have to check baby after the rain. She trying to ask me to do something. I don't know. Xuaแบบtrong ở chui sấy. I have to make some container for them, the one that had been rejected, so they can stay next to their sibling. And now it's rain and I got something to cover. Forgot to pierce the hole, so when the rain comes, it won't flood the baby's nest. Now Mama trying to talk to me something. I gotta check after the rain. Okay, what you want from me? I've been helping you. She won't go away. She keep coming. She won't go away. I don't know what she wants. Okay, I will check. I will help you. Well, maybe the baby fell down again. Okay, I will check. I will help you. Bangfoot, come to the door. Not attacking today. The other days she's attacking. Now it's demanding something. Here, she's right here at my doorstep again. Okay, I will check when the rain calm down. Maybe the baby fell down again, I think. Okay. Vì này xong xây có con với lẹ đấy. Nữ nhụt lẹ nào ngọt lộc lộc. Giờ nhà độ tông bây giờ nào mượn nữ nhụt thao kiểu thôi. Họ đăng về xong xây. Xong ai chui vô con với đại lơ với nếu chạm mơ mới. Okay. I will help you. The husband is over there, far away. Right there. It's something else going on. I gotta go check when she's calmed down.